A living man?
Yes, sir.
I would think that would be obvious, right?
No, sir.
You've gone above my head on that. I can't. That's above my pay grade.
Alright guys, we've got some extremely intense court hearings lined up for you today, and it's going to be an absolute wild ride. Our first sovereign citizen, or honestly, just a sovereign idiot, is claiming he's an entity rather than an actual person, and the judge's reaction to this nonsense is completely priceless. Courts only recognize real people, so his argument doesn't even make legal sense. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this total circus, and if you enjoy content like this, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Let's go ahead and dive right in.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tana Jenkins on behalf of Mr. Lucas. Mr. Lucas, please place your full name on the record.
Nathan Daniel Lucas, a living man.
A living man?
Yes, sir.
I would think that would be obvious, right?
No, sir. Not in the etymology of the courts and the syntax grammar. No, sir.
You've gone above my head on that. I can't. That's above my pay grade. All right. So are you interested in a lawyer representing you, sir?
No, sir.
Okay. Are you interested in even getting a driver's license?
No, sir.
Are you interested in an offer at all?
No, sir.
Set the matter for trial.
Well, I intend to plead in the form of a demurrer, such that I do not acquiesce to quasi-jurisdiction.
Okay.
Because that issue is to be brought up in my pleadings and filed with a court.
I didn't see any pleadings filed with the court. Do we have anything?
I said that is an issue to be brought up, my pleadings to be briefed and filed with a court.
Well, you should have done that. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Kind of here. I'll enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, sir. I'll give you a $0 bond, and I'll set a trial date for November the 14th, 2024. Or if you want a pre-trial date to file some pleadings, I can set that for October 21st, 2024. Which one would you like?
You could repeat that, sir?
Pre-trial date, if you want to file some motions, pre-trial date will be October the 21st, 2024. Or
that will be fine.
Just set it that you want that date?
October 24th, 2024?
October 21st.
21st.
2024 at 8:30 a.m. All right?
Yes, sir. And just for the record, I did not enter in no plea. I don't plead.
All right. Well, I'm entering in for you. All right. Have a good day, sir. I'll see you back October 21st, 2024, God willing. All right.
Likewise.
I really enjoy watching this judge because his sarcasm is absolutely hilarious, and honestly it's the best way to deal with these sovereign idiots. You can literally see them start to unravel when he throws their nonsense right back at them, and it's just comedy gold. I'll be posting the second half of this guy's hearings tomorrow, so definitely stay tuned because it gets even crazier. But for now I've got another hearing for you guys, and this one is even more ridiculous, with yet another sovereign citizen who is completely off his rocker. Let me know what you guys think about it. And let's go ahead and dive right in.
What's your name, sir?
I am Moore.
Moore?
Special representation. I'm asking you.
Your Honor, his name is Tyrese Breland.
Breland?
That's not my name.
Oh, Breland.
That's not my name. I am Moore. I'm here on special representation. I'm
same as last defendant, Your Honor.
My Honor, I'm asking.
Okay.
What is your status and what is your name? I'd like to know your name. I'd like to know your status. Of everyone in the courtroom, I would like to know what is your nationality and what is your...
So, Deputy.
Yes, ma'am.
I would like to know your nationality.
He has charges in jots and he has a paper charge. Let me see if they're the same warrant. And they're different warrant numbers. Okay. So I guess I do both sets. Let me see when these are.
Know your nationality. I would like to know if you're a U.S. citizen of the United States. And so what is your status? You're a U.S. citizen of the United States?
All right, hold on one moment, sir. Let me review the warrant.
Asking you for your status and the status of everyone in the courtroom. I would like to know your name. I would like to know the nationality. I would like to know, are you a U.S. citizen? Once again,
Is he deputy?
status
Say it
of
again, Your
everyone
Honor.
in the
Is
courtroom.
he injured? Is that why why is he in a wheelchair?
Yes, ma'am.
I would like to know the status of everybody in the courtroom. I would like to know your name. I would like to know your nationality. I would like to know are you a U.S. citizen?
Deputy, do you believe that this gentleman is mental health, or do you think it's just a sovereign citizen
Can you
thing?
provide me with the information?
Both.
I honestly can't tell whether this guy is pretending to be mentally ill for the court or if he's genuinely a complete nutcase. It's probably a mix of both, like the deputy said, but I truly have no idea what he thinks he's accomplishing by claiming his name is Moore, because does he really believe the judge is just going to throw her hands up and let him walk out? It makes absolutely no sense to me, and honestly I feel like judges should end these hearings the moment these clowns start pulling this nonsense, or at the very least hold them in contempt for being so blatantly disingenuous. Because at this point the guy is just wasting everyone's time and turning the legal system into a joke. What do you guys think? Should judges crack down harder on this kind of behavior? Let's get back into it.
I think it's
Okay.
Can you provide me with the information?
All right, so I'm going to give you your charges.
Charges for what? Are you a U.S. citizen? Are you a U.S. citizen? My Honor, are you a U.S. citizen?
Sir, be quiet.
Are you a U.S.
Yo.
citizen?
I said
Said
be
stop.
quiet.
Are you
Be
a
quiet.
US citizen? What is your name? What is your status? What is the status
Yo,
of everyone in the
chill.
courtroom? That's what I'm asking.
All right, so y'all just go ahead and take him back. I'll just go ahead and put the bond. Y'all take
I'm
him.
asking
Move your
for the court to be a jurisdiction of the court.
You might want to
The
chill
court
out.
to be challenged. I'm challenging the jurisdiction of the court. I'm challenging the jurisdiction of the court because I am not who they say they are. I am challenging the jurisdiction of the court.
No.
Everything is challenged. I'm challenging the jurisdiction of the court.
Hey, let me get two. Which one's the rest of
Let them know I am challenging the jurisdiction of the court.
After that last little scene he just pulled, I'm convinced this dude is definitely mentally ill, because there are the usual sovereign citizens who play dumb and spit out nonsense, but this guy is on a whole other level and it almost feels like he's auditioning for some kind of bad reality show. Like, how do you even argue with someone who doesn't believe the most basic rules of law apply to them? And honestly, this judge has the patience of a saint for not just slamming the gavel and yelling at him, and I really feel like these Zoom court hearings are a total win for sovereign citizens since they can talk over the judge, ramble about their made-up laws, and avoid the normal courtroom vibe that would probably make them behave a little better, because I don't understand how they think they can just say they don't consent to the laws as if they don't apply to them. Like, these people really believe that if they get pulled over for a speeding ticket and say they don't consent, then the ticket just disappears, which is honestly laughable, especially since these fake legal theories have been debunked over and over again, yet somehow they just keep doubling down like it's going to work one day. And anyway guys, I'm going to wrap it up there. I'll be posting the second half of that first clip later tomorrow, so let me know in the comments what you think about Zoom court hearings, because I honestly feel the courts are way too lenient over Zoom calls, and also let me know whether you think these guys are just playing crazy or if they're actually mentally ill. And if you enjoy content like this and want to see more, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching and take care.